Here's your full-length spoken voiceover script, reviewing the Samsung 65-inch Class OLED. Hey there, folks. Are you ready for an unforgettable home entertainment experience? I'm here to introduce you to the Samsung 65-inch Class OLED, a game-changer that will take your viewing nights to the next level. With its stunning picture quality and sleek design, this TV is about to become your new best friend. Let's start with what makes this TV truly special. Advanced processing powers that use AI to enhance picture quality. You might be wondering, what does that even mean? Well, think of it like this. These 20 neural networks work together to analyze every frame of your favorite show or movie and optimize the sound for an unmatched viewing experience. It's like having a personal butler who ensures everything is perfect. But here's the best part. With the power of AI, the TV boosts your favorite content to captivating 4K resolution. That means you'll get stunning detail in every scene, from the brightest highlights to the darkest shadows. Imagine watching your favorite show or movie in crystal clear clarity. It's a whole new world. Now, I know what you're thinking. Isn't 4K just a fancy word for high definition? Well, yes and no. 4K refers to a resolution of 3840 by 2160 pixels, which means 4 times the resolution of standard HD. Think of it like looking at a photograph versus watching a movie on your phone, you know what I mean? But Samsung's TV takes it a step further with dynamic brightness and contrasts. This feature analyzes each scene to improve brightness for a more dynamic picture. In other words, no more bland, flat visuals. This TV brings the drama. And then there's expert-validated color and skin tones. You might be wondering what that means, but trust me when I say it makes all the difference. The experts at Pantone have validated the colors to ensure they look realistic and accurate on screen. No more oversaturated or washed-out hues. This TV delivers true-to-life colors. But enough about specs, let's talk design. This TV is a real showstopper, with a bold yet elegant design that evokes gentle waves. The smooth lines and flowing design blend seamlessly into your home decor, making it a stylish addition to any room. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, isn't OLED just a fancy term for expensive? Well, yes and no. OLED stands for Organic Light Emitting Diode, which means each pixel is self-illuminating. This delivers bright, expert-validated color and the dramatic contrast of OLED, all in a sleek design with a thin bezel. And let's not forget about audio. Samsung's top-firing speakers provide immersive multidimensional sound that will make you feel like you're right there in the action. Whether you're watching a blockbuster movie or your favorite TV show, this TV has got it all covered. In short, the Samsung 65-inch Class OLED is an absolute game-changer. With its advanced processing powers, captivating 4K resolution, dynamic brightness and contrasts, expert-validated color, sleek design, and top-notch audio, this TV delivers a viewing experience like no other. So what are you waiting for? Get ready to elevate your home entertainment to new heights. Check out the link below to get the best price on this incredible TV.